This is the Teacher Cadet program. It's part of our education pathway here for our CTE department. We're learning really everything about what it means to be a teacher. In the fall, they cover more of the theoretical side of the class. And then in the spring, it's actually really cool because kids get to go work in the field. They've been working all year up to getting to actually be hands-on in a classroom with this group of kids, and then they'll get to be with them the whole rest of the semester, basically. Or ACEs. They not only get the experience and kind of the background knowledge about is this a good fit for me and do I want to do this, but they also can get the credit so that they can go to other schools and start off in their major with more credits. It's not just teachers. So we talk about counselors and we talk about administration and we talk about all the different types of secretaries that are needed. I think just having that awareness is huge for these kids because sometimes it's like all I can see is being a teacher and that's the only thing that's available for me. And really it's this wide network. It's so cool to be a teacher getting to teach kids how to teach. All right, have a good weekend. See you.